Okay, so here we are at the Appenzeller Cheese Factory. Now that's a famous cheese, Swiss cheese here. That's obviously made in Switzerland. We've actually had the fondue that they sell like overseas in ready-made packages. So it's gonna be really cool to see the process of how they make the Appenzeller cheese. So let's go check it out.
It's from the mild one until the spicy one.
Okay, so after you scan the QR code, it tells you the corresponding cheese. And this one is the mild cheese number 3, the Appenzeller. And we're gonna continue eating our way. Okay, so even the cows get a brush and a massage here. Spoiled cows of Switzerland. Okay, what is this? It's a book, that's an Alpine cow. Okay, these are happy cows. Okay, so you can try the whey from the cheese making. Let's see, how does this work?
Press it back. Doesn't have much taste.
Okay. Yeah. Cheese whey. Let's try the whey. Doesn't have much taste. It's kind of just like milky. A milky taste. It's actually quite nice. All right, so this is the secret brine, and the recipe is actually in a bank vault, hidden in. It's like a Coca-Cola, but Swiss style for cheese. Okay, so this is the station where you can, you got a little bag here and you can mix your own herbs. You have to guess what the brine is, so you can take the herbs home with you. So there's 5 herbs that are in the secret brine. So we're just gonna have some fun and try to mix our own and take it home with us. So we got this is the thyme, citrus thyme. You unlock it. Good. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, and this is marjoram. And this is citronellissa. 2 of this one. Smell that. Through there. So there you go. I've made my secret herb blend for cheese, and I'm taking it home. All right, so then of course you walk out into a cheese shop that has Alppenzeller Cheese Factory. And you can get all the different cheeses that you want to try. Including the fondue. So this is Appenzeller fondue. Yum yum. Okay, so I've actually bought this. Costco carried these one year, so I've actually now say I can bin to the Appenzeller factory, where of course, look, homemade fondue from scratch is really easy and probably tastier, but this is a really great substitute for a quick and easy meal.